Yo, what's good? Back with another video here. Dude, I've been going ham on these fucking things. I'm not even gonna cap. We just uploaded. All right, let's think here. We just uploaded the Colorado video today. It was scheduled to post at 11 a.m. That's already out. The videos will be getting better for sure. The fucking video was shaky, honestly. Like, there's shit I'm noticing, like going back, watching the videos, editing through the videos, and just kind of like fixing them and seeing shit. Like, I'm way too shaky with the fucking iPhone, bro. I need to get like a legit camera or something because I know for myself, I'm not watching the video long. Like, I can't watch it, bro. It's too fucking shaky for me. I'm like, what the fuck is like? I don't know. Anyways, though, that video's up. We just did a live video today. That's up. We went 2 for 2. Made it like, I don't know. We probably secured like a 4RR on the day out of the 2 trades. So that was clean. And this right here is going to be the trading recap of the 2 trades, like of why I took them and bullshit like that. So this is going to be quick, but this is also just like a little rewind and like a little recap of everything that's just been going on. I don't know. It's been like fucking go lately. Right when I got back from fucking Colorado, it's just been like get some shit. Like, I don't know, bro. 2025 is going to be a year. That's all I got to say. But, yeah. That's another thing, bro. A day in the life as well will be uploaded tomorrow morning. A day in the life, which will be today. I'm documenting today. So, yeah, there's gonna be a lot of shit uploaded recently. But anyways, let's get into this trading recap. So this is the first trade we took on NQ. This was actually on E-minis. So not much was made on this trade. Maybe like 120 or some shit, 150 maybe. I don't even know. All I know is it was like a 2RR. But the reason I took this trade is purely based off of sell side liquidity being swept, which is down here. Sorry, my phone's being blowed up right now. Sell side liquidity that's right there got swept, and then we had a change in state of delivery up here. Right when we got that, and then we came back down a little bit, I was like, you know what, I like that. I'm entering purely based off of the change in state of delivery to the upside to target this generated buy side liquidity and this buy side liquidity up here. I believe we also formed an order block, which was right here. This candle swept this previous liquidity, so therefore this is now confirmation of an order block, which I actually didn't even see this. I had no idea we even had one until I was like done with the trade and I was like going over it and I was like, oh shit, we also had an order block. Well, that's cool. But yeah, ended up taking profit up here, sold both my contracts, all 3 contracts, bang, fucking love it, gotta love it. Let me put that up there. All right, but yeah. What the fuck, man? Come on. I mean, are you fucking for real? Okay. All right, anyways. So yeah, that's that one trade. Nothing crazy. Little quick trade. I mean, it was like literally a 7-minute trade. That wasn't the trade I'm really like hyped up about. This is the trade I really enjoyed taking because it was like so fucking perfect. Let me hurry up and switch to my other account. All right. All right, so here's this trade. This trade, low-key, would have been like a $1,200 trade. Instead, we only made $300, which, whatever. We made like pretty much a 2RR. God, dude, this was actually a fucking beautiful trade, bro. This was about to be like a fucking 3RR. Yeah, whatever. I was up 600 right here. I was up 600. I sold 1 contract. After that, I then moved my stops to right in front of my entry. Ended up getting stopped out to then continue running down. After that, I would have probably been up another 600. So that's 1,200. But I sold here for profit, $300. And then this got stopped out. So I only made $300 on this trade. If I sold all my contracts here, it would have been $600. If I didn't sell any of my contracts and waited all the way down here to potentially sell, I'd probably be up like $1,000. But what are you going to do? Anyways, this is like a A+ setup until like you got stopped out, market reversed on us. But I was already out by then, so what are you going to do? Let's go over this real quick. So right here we have an SMT, which was on the 5-minute. ES and NQ both had SMTs, so opposite. You guys already know SMTs. If you watched my video about SMTs, watch it. If you haven't, I literally give out free fucking game, bro. Everybody, I've been getting so many fucking DMs on my Instagram saying like, yo, teach me how to trade. Teach me how to trade. Yo, I'll pay you to teach me how to trade. Listen, man, I would love to teach you guys how to trade, truthfully, but I just don't have like the time to actually teach you guys how to trade. I need to know you want to learn how to trade, bro. Like, I put all of this out for free. Go watch the fucking videos and learn how to trade. Have a understanding, like a basic understanding of the market, and then come back and let's learn, bro. Let's do it. Join the Discord. Like, bro, I'm in there every day. Ask me questions. I'll answer them, bro. I don't know. It's just fucking stupid, bro. People are just kind of lazy. They think they can just have stuff handed to them. Which, listen, I have nothing against any of you guys shooting me DMs. Like, I love it. Like, I love that people want to learn how to trade, bro. It can change your life. But at the same time, I'm just sitting there, I'm thinking, bro, at this point, I might as well just, like, make a fucking boot camp and charge people, truthfully. Because I ain't teaching anybody for fucking free, bro. My time's too valuable. But at the same time, I would make it so fucking cheap for people to, like, actually want to learn how to trade. I'd probably make it, like, fucking $200 for a fucking to get in for a whole month to learn everything side by side. You're paying for me to literally, you're paying for my guidance pretty much. I'm not gonna sit here though and say none of this stuff is free. It's on my fucking YouTube, bro. It's on my YouTube. Everybody who buys like that shit for trading, like, I'm gonna be real for a minute. Everybody who like buy shit thinking they're gonna get something different in the fucking in their like little boot camp or their little Discord, everything they post is free on YouTube, bro. You're pretty much just paying for their guidance, which I completely understand. I mean, I'm a course buyer. I buy courses, but you know, what are you gonna do? Anyways, I'm going off fucking topic here. This trade was, dude, like, I look at this trade and I kind of get a stiffy. I'm not even gonna lie. Beautiful fucking buy side liquidity was swept. We already got that. Like right here, buy side liquidity was swept. I was targeting this at the very top, that buy side, but we never really got it. So at that point, you got to just target the next best thing, which is this. So bang, got that. Check, right? What next? We have what? This is a bullish fair value gap, which then turns into what once it gets broken through? A inverse fair value gap. We also have what? A CISD, which is a change in state of delivery. Hashtag market structure shift or break of structure. We have a change in state of delivery to the downside now. We want to start coming down, it looks like, right? That's what that is. This is when I entered. And then what? Well, we have sell side liquidity, sell side liquidity, sell side liquidity, sell side liquidity. Beautiful fucking trade, but I like low-key got out like fucking right here. Like a 1-7, honestly. But yeah. After that, we then created what? A bearish fair value gap. What happens? Well, we broke through it. This is where I got stopped. Still making profit on the trade. Watch the live trading fucking video and you'll see like how I trade, how I do my fucking profits and all that to be profitable and all that bullshit. But anyways, yeah, got stopped out at break even pretty much. I like to put my stops in front of my entries if I'm putting my stop loss like to break even. But like I said, locked up $300 profit. Can't complain, bro. I think we made like $450 on the day within like an hour of market open. What time? Yeah, literally not even, bro. Fucking 30 minutes. Market opens at 9:30. This is literally 10:06. So I mean, what the fuck, bro? You can't complain about that, bro. Don't be greedy. Take your profit and get the fuck out. But after that, we ended up breaking straight through this bearish fair value gap to then use it as an inverse fair value gap to then target more to the downside. If I didn't end up getting stopped out, I would have definitely taken my profit down here. I'm not going to be greedy and hold to the very tip of this sell side liquidity, because if you would have done that, you would have definitely got stopped out, which I bet there were some people who did. I, unfortunately, got stopped out a lot sooner, but hey, at least I still made money. But yeah, that was that trade. Clean fucking trade, honestly. The trading recap is up. The trading live is up. So go check that out if you want to see everything live, like how I read the market, blah, 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 you know, bullshit. Go check it out, though. that's about it for the training recap. So peace out, fellas. Have a fucking good one.